In the past few weeks, I've spent a lot of time looking at the mathematician John Gauss as a means of using his explorations to enhance the CMP3 lesson I'm working on. So John Gauss is actually the first mathematician to create a formula to find the area of any kind of polygon. In his method called the shoelace method, he actually uses matrices to add and subtract coordinates of the polygon to find the area, which I think is really cool and accessible for sixth grade math students. And beyond that, I really feel like, I don't know, I've learned a lot of interesting things about his life. Like he calculated his own birth date that his mother had never recorded. So I felt like that was really cool that I learned about. So I really liked getting to learn about him and learning not only his different mathematics that he actually founded, but also the history of his life and when he grew up.